The ABS warning light is a critical safety indicator that appears on your dashboard when there's a potential issue with your vehicle's anti-lock braking system. Understanding what causes this light and how to address it can save you time and money. Research shows that most ABS warning lights are caused by five main issues. Low brake fluid accounts for 35% of cases, making it the most common cause. Dirty wheel speed sensors cause 25% of problems, while blown fuses account for 15%. Parking brake issues and battery voltage problems make up the remaining cases. The first step in diagnosing an ABS warning light requires no tools at all. Simply check that your parking brake is fully released. Sometimes the parking brake can appear released but still be partially engaged, triggering the ABS warning light. Step 2 involves checking your brake fluid reservoir, usually located near the firewall in the engine bay. Check that the fluid level is between the minimum and maximum markers. Also look for any signs of leakage around the reservoir and inspect the fluid color. Dark or contaminated fluid may indicate system problems. The third step is checking the ABS fuse, located in either the engine bay or interior fuse box. Look for the ABS fuse specifically and inspect it for signs of failure. A blown fuse will have a blackened appearance or broken filament. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same amperage rating. It's crucial to understand that ignoring an ABS warning light significantly increases your accident risk by 23%. The ABS system is a critical safety feature that prevents wheel lockup during emergency braking. Address any ABS warning light promptly to maintain your vehicle's safety systems. Modern vehicles from 2020 and newer feature diagnostic capabilities that make it easier to identify ABS issues without special tools. These systems provide more detailed information and often have improved self-diagnostic features that can help pinpoint problems more accurately. If basic checks haven't resolved your ABS warning light, we can try more advanced DIY solutions. The first step is cleaning the wheel speed sensors, which are often the culprit behind ABS issues. Remove the wheels using your vehicle's jack and tools. Locate the wheel speed sensors near the brake rotors or drums. These sensors can accumulate dirt, debris, and brake dust that interferes with their operation. After cleaning the sensors, we can try system reset methods. The first method is disconnecting the battery to reset the ABS computer. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. This allows the ABS computer to completely reset and clear any temporary error codes. After reconnecting, start the vehicle and take a short test drive to allow the system to recalibrate. Another reset method is the ignition cycle reset. This doesn't require disconnecting anything and can be done from the driver's seat. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Wait 3 seconds, then turn it to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times, then start the engine normally. This reset procedure works for many vehicle makes and models. However, it's crucial to know when these DIY methods aren't enough. You should seek professional help immediately if certain warning signs appear. Seek professional help if the ABS warning light persists after all DIY attempts, if it's accompanied by a brake warning light, or if you notice unusual brake pedal feel or behavior. Remember, ABS is a critical safety system. Never ignore warning lights for extended periods, and always test your brakes in a safe environment after any DIY repairs. Some issues require specialized diagnostic equipment that only professionals have access to. These DIY solutions can resolve many ABS warning light issues, but always prioritize safety. When in doubt, consult a qualified automotive technician to ensure your vehicle's braking system operates properly.